I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to pause your YouTube TV watch history. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to tv.youtube.com and then sign in to your YouTube TV account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click your profile icon to open a menu and then click Settings in this menu. Step 3. Select Privacy in the menu on this screen. Step 4. Click to toggle on Pause Watch History. A window pops up letting you know that moving forward will pause watch history for both YouTube and YouTube TV. Step 5. Click Pause. Going forward, your YouTube TV watch history won't be captured, so you won't have to worry about people finding out that you watched something. Keep in mind that you will need to toggle this option back off if you want your YouTube TV watch history to be logged again. And if you want to check out the watch history for your YouTube TV account, all you need to do is click View associated with Manage Watch History. Navigate down to the calendar icon on the next screen to see all of your watch history for both YouTube and YouTube TV. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.